Every GroupWise system will have at least one domain object, and possibly several of them. This video will offer a quick introduction to that domain object, what it is and what it does, and the basic configuration options available. Let's start with the admin console open and click on the domains icon in the left panel here. This system has two domains. I can see that Corp HQ is the primary domain because it says primary under the domain type, and also because the icon has this little red bar underneath it. You will also see the little plug icon that indicates which domain is currently connected. The admin console reads information from a domain database. Since I have two domains, I have two domain databases. I can choose which one I connect with using this drop-down menu here. Some administration tasks require you to connect to a specific domain. This is where you make that connection. Clicking the domain will open the Properties page. The General tab offers a description field if you want to document anything or make notes. The folder is a path to the actual domain folder structure from the host server's perspective. Now you know where those files can be found once you have a console session open on that server. Language option is here along with time zone. You can add a user ID to the Notify User field here. This user will receive email alerts from the various agents if problems arise, as well as copies of log files from maintenance options that are run. The current database version is reported here, and down here you have the option of locking out older versions of the admin tool. Finally, calendar publishing can be controlled here if you have a calendar publishing host enabled. Moving over to the Objects tab, you can see what objects are contained within this domain. Post offices, users, groups, agents, etc. can be browsed and accessed here, as well as some helpful links down at the bottom like the user move status. The Address Book tab offers a place to change your default sorting, first name then last name or the other way around. You can also customize what information appears in the address book and what order things are listed. Internet addressing is where you define what username variations will be allowed for incoming internet mail. If you own multiple internet domain names, you can designate that all users on this domain are only available by one of those domain names. If you have multiple GroupWise Internet agents, you can configure different routing options to customize how users on this domain reach the internet for outbound messages. And finally, these buttons along the top allow for running maintenance and setting client options for users on this domain. More contains directory sync options and the ability to push replication of an object to other domains in the system. Diagnostics offers information about what's in the domain and specific information about the domain itself under Display Object. We hope this information is helpful. Thank you for watching.